Unlock financial freedom. 9 habits you must break today. Most people are stuck in the same cycle. Work, spend, worry, repeat. They believe that making more money will fix everything. But here's the truth. It's not what you earn. It's what you do with what you earn. That builds financial freedom. Freedom isn't built in one big moment. It's built in small, consistent habits. Habits we repeat, or habits we ignore. So let's break down 9 habits silently keeping people broke and how to break free, starting now. 1. Paying yourself last. It's not how much money you make, it's how much you keep. Robert Kiyosaki. Here's the trap. You get paid. You pay rent, your phone bill, Netflix, groceries, a few nights out, maybe DoorDash. Then, maybe you save whatever's left. But the wealthy, they do the opposite. They pay themselves first. They treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. Start with just 10%. Automate it. Make it the first thing you do. Even if it's only $50 a month, it adds up. Because every dollar saved is a dollar buying you freedom. 2. Treating debt like it's normal. We buy things we don't need, with money we don't have, to impress people we don't even like. Dave Ramsey. Credit cards are easy to swipe. New clothes, gadgets, emergency bills, or a gift you couldn't afford. But every swipe digs a deeper hole. That $100 dinner turns into $140 with interest, and it keeps compounding month after month. Debt isn't just a money problem, it's a mindset trap. It tricks you into feeling richer than you are. So here's the rule. If you wouldn't buy it with cash, don't buy it with credit. 3. No emergency fund. Life doesn't ask permission to wreck your plans. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, your kid gets sick. If credit cards are your emergency plan, you're one crisis away from disaster. Start small. Aim for $500 to $1,000. Then, work toward 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Security isn't just having money. It's building a system that keeps you from panic. That system starts with your emergency fund. Build it slowly, brick by brick, and guard it like your life depends on it. Because one day, it just might. 4. Not tracking where your money goes. You can't improve what you don't measure. Peter Drucker. Ever look at your bank account and think, where did all my money go? It's usually not the big purchases, it's the daily drip. $7 lattes, $30 takeout, $12 streaming, $60 random Amazon orders. It adds up fast. Track your money for 1 month. Use an app, use a notebook, doesn't matter. Just know where it's going. Because awareness creates change. 5. Spending on hobbies you can't afford. Look, we all need fun. But some hobbies, they cost way more than they're worth. Collecting sneakers, gaming gear, daily food delivery, constant shopping, just because. Ask yourself, is this helping my future or just draining my now? Rich people stay rich by living like they're broke. Broke people stay broke by living like they're rich. This isn't about living with no joy. It's about living with intention. Set limits, stick to them, and invest the rest into your freedom. 6. Only thinking about saving, not earning more. You can save $5 on coffee, or you can learn how to earn an extra $500. Ramit Sethi. Cutting back helps, yes, but you can only save so much. The real wealth, it's on the earning side. Can you start a side hustle? Offer a service? Sell a skill? Teach? Write? Clean? Design? There's someone willing to pay for what you can do. The average millionaire? 7 income streams. Start with 1. Don't just save, scale. 7. letting taxes drain your wealth. It's not tax evasion, it's tax education. Here's what most people don't know. Taxes are your biggest lifetime expense, but wealthy people, they study the rules, and they play smart. Max out your Roth IRA or 401k. Claim legit home office deductions. Track your miles, receipts, supplies. The more you keep legally, the faster your money grows. So, talk to a tax advisor. Start learning today, because ignorance costs way more.
8. Letting inflation eat your savings.
Leaving your money in the bank feels safe, but it's not. Inflation is like a slow leak. Your $10,000 today might only buy $9,000 worth of stuff next year. Once your emergency fund is set, start investing. Index funds, ETFs, fractional shares. Start small. Learn as you go. Money is a terrible master, but a wonderful servant. P.T. Barnum. Let your money hustle while you sleep. 9. Waiting to start. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. I'll start when I make more, when I move, when life calms down. Sound familiar? These delays cost you time, and time is the one thing you can't get back. Start now. Start scared. Start messy. But whatever you do, start. Final word, call to action. Here's the truth. You're not stuck because of what you earn. You're stuck because of how much you keep, how much you owe, and how long you've been waiting. But that can change. Today, change your habits, and you'll change your future. Drop a comment. What one habit are you breaking today? Like the video if it woke you up. Subscribe if you're ready to build a new financial future. You don't need more luck, you need a plan and the courage to follow through. This is your moment, and it starts now.